Welcome to On the Beat, everyone. I'm over here with Dr. Pritchard and Jan Steele, who's the office manager, and of course you know them all from Plastic Surgery of North Mississippi. Welcome to the show, my friends. Nice to see you in front of the camera.
I know.
We normally see you behind the scenes.
Yes, I never come out front.
We never come out from behind the curtain.
No.
Okay, let's talk about the open house that's happening. What is so great about these open houses, especially when you're there, Doctor, that people get to experience everything that you have to offer? Why is it so important, Doctor, that you do
A lot of times out of appreciation of the practice and the people have come over and trusted my staff and myself to take care of them over the years. Any new patients there, they get an opportunity to see what products we have plus things we can do to help them look and feel better.
Yeah. So let's talk a little bit about the open house. What are we going to be experiencing? Now, I do believe you said there was going to be like 20% off injectables?
Of injectables. Any of the fillers, Botox, products will be 20% off. There will be lots of bundles that you would not think about asking about that will be on there.
So when we say bundles, everyone, we want you to understand that it's not a bundle of skincare products, it's a bundle of services, correct,
Right.
Doctor? And so when we're talking
It could
about...
be like skincare products,
Yes.
Botox, or possible hydrofacial.
Oh, hydrofacials are amazing.
Oh, they're absolutely wonderful.
Skincare
Oh my
treatments.
gosh, they're wonderful.
Yeah. So
And,
when you
and
say-
other things.
Now, are you going to be doing any consultations for surgeries?
I will do brief ones. I won't do full
That's what
ones.
we like.
And most of the time I say, you were here, you get a free consultation, come back. And I'll see you at my convenience. And we'll work out of time.
That's the perfect thing.
Yeah.
We want everyone to know when you have an open house, it's all about being open. People can come in and have a chat to you. What time are you doing these?
We're going to do it from 3 to 7.
And the date?
October the 24th.
Okay. So what else can people expect to experience in an
Just a
open house?
unique experience. To come meet our vendors, our representatives, Dr. Pritchard. Come explore, see what we do.
And sometimes they have questions, I forgot to ask him last time. Well, here I am. And I do go off to the side and or in a group answer that question most of the time, you know.
Well, you're very good at communicating with what it is that you actually do. And it's one thing I've known since I've met you, is that you do go into great detail of how you go about doing a process. Okay?
Oh,
and that's
absolutely.
fantastic. I'm sure most of your customers would like that.
I think the more they know, the more comfortable they are. And it makes a big difference in their decision making. You know, and if you can take the unknown out,
Yeah.
it's a relaxing experience.
I
They're
get
not
you.
afraid of it.
I appreciate that.
Yeah.
What are some of the skincare ranges that you carry?
Our products, we carry Zio Abaji, Jamarini, Image, Intraceuticals.
Wow, so you carry a full range.
Yes.
Okay, so tell me, what do you think is your favorite thing to do in surgery?
I knew you were going to ask that. You know, it's,
Well, this is what people ask you, I'm sure, at open houses.
I like everything.
Yeah,
What I like about plastic surgery is not one patient is the same.
yeah.
Oh, yes, I like to do, I love to do breast surgery, but I also really love facelifts and rhinoplasties. You know, but I don't ever get bored with what I do. She knows that. I mean, I like it. And not one person ever comes out with the same technique and approach. I've got to do something different with them.
Yeah.
So that's the beauty and the fun I love of plastic surgery.
All right, well, let's put up all that information again on the date and time. Just tell everyone again.
It's going to be Thursday, October the 24th, between 3 and 7.
Now, can people call ahead and
Call ahead, reserve a spot.
tell everyone they're coming in? We love
Yes.
that. We appreciate you.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming in. If you want to find out more information about the open house, there it all is up on the screen. And of course, the phone number, Dr. Pritchard. Go over and say hello to Jan Steele as well, everyone. Back after this break.